Apple has announced the launch of over 600 new apps for Apple Vision Pro, a spatial computing platform, on February 2nd. These apps leverage the device's unique features, such as ultra-high-resolution displays and a three-dimensional user interface navigable with eyes, hands, and voice. Vision Pro transforms spaces into personal theaters, enhances collaboration, and provides immersive gaming experiences. The apps cover various categories, including entertainment, productivity, gaming, exploration, learning, music creation, shopping, and mindfulness. Major entertainment apps like Disney Plus and Warner Bros. Discovery's Max, as well as sports apps like PGA Tour Vision and NBA, will be available. The platform also supports productivity tools like Box and Microsoft 365 apps, offering an infinite canvas for multitasking. Gaming experiences include Apple Arcade titles and App Store games supporting spatial computing. Additionally, apps for exploration, learning, music creation, shopping, and mindfulness will be featured. Apple Vision Pro aims to redefine user experiences with spatial computing, offering endless possibilities for developers and users alike.